Smart commands in Foxit PDF Editor let you automate complex PDF workflows just by describing what you want in plain language. I need to prep this legal document for e-filing. Instead of jumping between menus, I'll use Smart Command Mode in Foxit AI Assistant. I can ask for each task in natural language and let the agent handle the workflow. To turn it on, I go to the AI Assistant tab, open AI Chat, click More Tools, and choose Smart Command. First, I'll type OCR this document into the Smart Command box and press Enter. The agent detects any scanned pages and runs OCR so the text becomes searchable. Let's check spelling in the document. It's found a typo, so I'll edit the text. To mark the file as sensitive, I'll add a confidential watermark. A watermark is applied across every page automatically. For legal tracking, I'll add Bates numbering to the document. Foxit AI configures the Bates sequence and applies it to each page. I also need clear navigation, so I'll add bookmarks. I can quickly add a table of contents from these bookmarks as well. To control access, I'll add password protection. Foxit automatically updates the security settings. When everything is ready, I'll save this document. Now, I've run OCR, fixed text, watermarked, Bates stamped, bookmarked, protected, and saved the file, all from one Smart Command chat. I didn't have to hunt through menus or remember where each tool lives. The same approach works for any document. I can quickly do actions in my PDFs like inserting new sections, removing pages, and converting to Word. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.